really ran through. I'd spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Through so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap make you pick, rich get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that dry the boat. Be quiet, be quiet. Let me pop off. Leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Heard from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told him meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mess. Around my neck, it cost her arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them get me preg. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening?
Put a ribbon on me, I've been acting brand new. I ain't smoking on no Zylo, I'm smoking on you. Put your bestie in a pack and now I'm smoking her too. I've been ballin' so them hard could've went to LSU. Got so many chains on I can't even see my throat. These don't do enough, that's why I always do the most. Bro, give the rich sponsor goals. Only thing a get for me for free is free to bros. Let me pop it off, point me to the biggest. Baby girl, come top it off. She said she don't like me cause she love me, duh, knock it off. That made some pages just to sub me, but I block them all. All these is mid. Got her lurking on my page before she feed her kids. Shitting on these, dunking on their heads. Get these some melatonin, put their to bed. Cry for what? These are denim tears. I'm sexy dancing in the house, I feel like Britney Spears. So put it on the floor, just like their career. What they got on me, bodies in a couple years.
I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening?
Yeah, it's giving. I'm in the booth playing with my big lotto, big party. It's a real party. Put it on the floor again.
In Vegas, there's more sides to the story, I'ma tell everybody. Had your ass sitting courtside with your arm around me. Had your ass sitting first class with your burnt ass out in Abu Dhabi. Could've been what we should've been, but you lost a bet, now you gotta find me. Find a seat, I ain't playing this hide and seek. High school where you finally peaked, hound dog couldn't find a treat. I'm a bad bitch, but dog, player, I get it. Fraud, player, I get it. some of the you want it, I get it. You needed someone that could prove you wrong, so I reckon you leave all of your problems at the door to my city. You gon' need to tell my brothers where you from, and I admit it. I still got empathy, and you gon' feel it for 2 weeks when I release you in them streets and keep my Nina discreet. Keep the cleaning, my Jeep and put that Yeezy in your teeth. Let my deeds off they leashes if you even think to speak. I'ma give a whole new meaning when you said you live in a dream. We could keep that sleeping, you gon' laugh at all your G's. Count them sheep. Talking about Z, R.I.P. Dog, player, I get it. Fraud, player, I get it. I understand. You wait a minute, you wait a minute. Dog, player, I get it. Fraud, player, I get it. I understand. You wait a minute, you wait a minute.
You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you, yeah. We're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm